Okay, let's explore the next indicator we need when performing financial analysis, the beta of a stock. This indicator shows the extent to which the change in the price of a security is related to the overall performance of the market. Beta is a fraction. The nominator equals the covariance between the stock and the market, and the denominator is the variance of the market. Beta is typically measured with data from the past 5 years. Therefore, in this lecture, we will download data for the period beginning on the 1st of January 2012 and ending on the 31st of December 2016. P&G is the stock we are interested in. We want to calculate its beta, and we will approximate the development of the market with the S&P 500 index. Awesome! NumPy and Pandas will be sufficient for this task. Just import the data module from Pandas Data Reader. Please don't forget to assign the end date, the 31st of December 2016. Otherwise, we will obtain a larger than necessary data set. So, what are we interested in? Practically, in two values. The first is the covariance between P&G and the S&P 500, and the second one is the variance of the S&P 500. Again, we will need log returns. We can use NumPy to calculate and store them in a variable called security returns. Once we've done that, we can proceed by creating a covariance matrix between P&G and the market with the help of the cov method. And then iloc would allow us to obtain the covariance between the stock and the market as a float. Okay, the nominator is ready. The nominator equals the variance of the market. In our case, this means we can use a new variable called market var, containing the annualized variance of the S&P 500. Great! Apparently, we are ready to calculate beta. To PG beta, we will assign the quotient of the division of the obtained covariance by the market variance. This value is greater than 0, but smaller than 1. This means P&G is a defensive stock. When the market goes up, P&G's equity value will not skyrocket, while in times of crises, you will typically lose less. It is a good sign of professional practice to verify your calculations of such popular indicators were correct. We have used data from Yahoo Finance. Well, let's go to Google Finance to check if the value we obtained is credible. We could allow ourselves a 2 or 3% difference because data or estimation methods may differ slightly. However, this difference should not be bigger than that. Once you've opened the Google Finance website, search for PG, the ticker for Procter & Gamble. Here is the quoted beta coefficient. This validates what we did in this lecture. The value we obtained seems correct. Thanks for watching.